Hi friends, in this video we are going to see for gram free and how we can earn money $1,000 daily. For the payment proof we can check it for the part 2 video. Okay, hi, this is what the app I said. Okay, this is not application. You can go with Google or else in your laptop also you can log in. Okay, from here it is asking for Facebook as well as for the Google, but I'm telling that Google is safe for everything. Okay, that is a secured one, so you can choose for Google, or else if you like for Facebook account also you can use it, but my suggestion is a Google. Okay, for your Gmail account I'm going to log in right now. Okay, I logged in your Gmail ID. You have to log in your thing. I will give a link below. You can click that one and automatically you can log in over there. Okay, once you logged in, the first time it will ask for as a human or a captcha will be there. No, normal thing will be there because every day I'm using. No, that's the reason it is not asking right now. Once you open all those things, the interface will be coming like this. Okay, so let me go from here. uh, okay, from here we can click. We could know what all the menus will be available. I'm clicking here. It is available for dashboards, support, free, deposit, withdrawal, lottery, user level, referrals, videos, smart contracts, facts, and logouts. Okay, so from here we can earn four types of earning. Normal earning you can get. Okay, without referring the person. The first thing you can do for this one free. If you're clicking free, you can go from here in the down. Okay, already I want for 1.8 dirham. Normally you can roll, it will be a free one. Okay, so some cases it will be locked down from here, so you can open it here. Okay, now I am going to roll. Click a roll. If it is 1 to 90 you will get 0.1 dirham. See my number 63, that's 63 in between here, so I am getting for 0.1 dirham. Okay, if you're going and checking here, it is already added. And for the next roll, after 1 hour you can roll it again. If the number is coming, example 998, in a sense you will get for 100 gram. Okay, the final we can see 1 gram equivalent to how many dollars. From here you can earn in terms of dollars only. Okay, this is what one sort of earnings. And for next one, for the lottery. Okay, from the lottery you can earn it, the results every day you will get the result, and you can earn this much amount. If it is 1 to 10th level you will earn for 5,000 dirham, like that. I did not take any lottery. If you want you can take it. How you can take a lottery, in a sense, example, in my dashboard you can see here how much amount I am having right now, how much amount I earned so far. Okay, it is available 28.2. Okay, so for the lottery I said you can go from here for the lottery. From here you have to take it. Example, if I want to take for 10 lottery, in a sense you have to give 10. Automatically it will show this much amount available balance, like that. Okay, once gone, and you can give us a buy and automatically it will buy. And minimum chance, 1% chance will be there for getting prize. Okay, that is what given here. But right now I am not going to take any lottery and all. If you like, you can take it and earn. Most of the people taking for lottery also, but right now I don't like to take it for lottery. Okay, this is what second sort of earning. And for the third one, for the videos, it will be free videos. Okay, just you have to watch and earn. As well as if you're posting videos you will get 5 dirham. That video also related to this particular website, not for any other videos. Keep it in your mind. Okay, and it will go for review. Once reviewed you will get for 5 dirham. So this is what the video, each and every video, if you're watching, in a sense, from here it is available, no, 0.1 dirham. If you're watching the video you will get 0.1 dirham. Example, I will show you. It will be 60 seconds will be there. Okay, just you can click it, you can want it, because this video related to how many of them using this particular website, and how many of them earned, and how many of them withdraw their money. Such kind of videos will be available, that will be useful for you too. Once you earn the money, how you can withdraw, what are the things you will do, everything will be available from here. Once count comes a zero, until that you have to watch the video. That is what given here. So you are watching the video right now. Zero, yeah, zero. Okay, now what you have to do, just you can go back. Okay, you can refresh it, and again you can go for the videos. In the second video you can watch. Once you watch the video, such kind of video will not be available here. Automatically it will be credited in your RAM. Okay, so how many videos available here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 videos. That means everything 0.1 dirham. Okay, this is a way you can earn it. Once you watch, and automatically that video will not be available. Once completed all watches, and it will show like that. Okay, the next day only will show. This is for third sort of earnings. And for fourth sort of earnings, smart contract. Click smart contracts. and see from here, already I signed for one contract is waiting for me, and remaining thing I will show you. Okay, this is one contract I have taken for risky. Two things will be available, risky as well as standard. From here it is there, no, risky as well as standard. Okay, I have taken this one as a risky, and this one will be risky, and this one will be a standard. Standard in a sense, particular amount will be credited after completing 5 days. This will be 5 days contract. Okay, I will show you. 4 days left. You can give us confirm, you can give us yes. Okay, next you have to come here and log in. 15, that means tomorrow you can come and click here. Once you missed, in a sense, automatically penalty will take place. If you're choosing for the standard, for a particular day it will be credited. If you're choosing as risky, you will get the penalty. But for risky contract, automatically, without checking for 5 days, automatically that respective amount will credited in your dashboard. What's the difference between standard and risky? In a sense, standard, once completed 5 days, it will be credited, and if you're choosing for risky, it will be same day it will be credited, but you have to come here every day for check-in. Okay, if you're not checking every day, 2 dirham will be, see from here, it is available 2 dirham for forfeit. If you're cancelling or if you're not signing in a sense, automatically it will deduct it for 2 gram. That is what mentioned here. So now 3 days left. What you have to do, you can click as confirm, give us okay. So this is also we checked, and from here 2 days left, because I signed in, because I took smart contract on 18th. So go confirm, give us yes. Okay, 1 day will be there, that is what running. And from here you can see that is what the new smart contract. As you're a new joiner, this is a way it will show you're eligible to take for risky contract or a standard contract. Risky contract, in a sense, you have to open this one. Okay, it will show us risky, then you have to take it. No, I don't like for risky. You're agreed to confirm contract every day without missing a day, otherwise you have to pay penalty. That is what telling, every day you have to check it. So I like to take as risky, because for 1 dirham for each day means 5 dirham automatically add in my wallet. That's the reason I'm taking for contract as risky. If you don't like as risky, in a sense, same way you can take it. Click as take, then it will show like standard. See from here, I will show you standard. See, this is a way it will get if you're clicking like this, and if you're selecting a risky, in a sense, it will coming like this as risky. Okay, that is a difference for taking contract. And I'm clicking here as I'm taking as risky, because every day I will sign it here, so that's the reason I'm taking as risky. I will take it, plus take. Yeah, next tomorrow you have to come in, log in. Okay, same check-in what I did earlier, same way you have to do it. Now I will go and check it for dashboard, it is credited or not. Earlier it will be 26 something, now see, it is credited 29.3. okay, these are all the 4 ways you have to earn it. And what is another way will be there for the referrals also you can earn it. If you're sending this copy, okay, referral link, you can share to your friends, and if they are joining, in a sense, you will get some bonus. Okay, that is what this is a 5 way of earning. If you don't like referral, in a sense, these are all the 3 ways you can earn it. Now we are going to see 1 gram equal to how many dollars. Okay, you can go here, deposit, and check it here. That will be check it here. One example, $1 in a sense 0.52. okay, example, $1,000 524 gram. okay, I am having 23 gram. okay, so it will be, just you can put 500, in a sense, it is 262. so 50, in a sense, 26. see, 26, so $60. So if I'm putting $60, it will be 31 gram. I'm having 29 grams I have won. That means $60 in my account. Okay, some people, they will ask why it is not showing for the dollar in the dashboard. So some scamming purpose, some scammers will be there. They could not think that we have to earn everything. That's the purpose. It is not showing the gram price, one full amount, that is $60 which I earned. And some people, they will ask when I have to withdraw my amount. In a sense, once if it is coming for 500, automatically you can withdraw. How you can withdraw those amounts? You can go to withdrawals. Okay, from here it is available list of withdrawal option: Bitcoin, Mastercard, Visa, PayPal, American Express, Pioneer, and Pioneer. Okay, these are all the ways you can withdraw your fund. Okay, for Visa card and Mastercard, it will take time for 2 or 3 days, but in wallet it will reach at the same time. Okay, so these are all the ways you can earn your money. As well as from here, other levels, if you're going user levels, okay, different category as well as levels will be there. These are all the current level, 8 points, and level awarded for 2 grams, 84% will be over. Once completed 100%, then I will go for next level. Lot of person, they earn much money in this particular website. I will attach for proof also in this, how much they have earned, then it will be helpful for you. So if you want to open this one, I will leave a link down in the description. You can click that link and you can install it, and if there is any doubt you can ask me, I will help you. Okay, I think this video will be helpful for you to understand what are all the way you have to get revenue from this. Okay, thank you for watching, friends. Thank you.